Hi, and welcome to Starts at 8. My name is Heidi, and I'm here to talk to you today about Apologia's new math curriculum. It's called Exploring Creation with Mathematics. It's for grades 1 to 6. Currently, they have levels 1, 2, and 3 out, with 4 to 6 to come. What this curriculum consists of is a consumable spiral-bound student workbook. Yes, I said spiral bound, and I can't say enough how much I love having spiral bound workbooks for the kids. It makes life so much easier. And on top of the spiral bound workbook, there's also a teacher guide and answer key that I'm going to talk about a little more in depth here in a few minutes. First, I want to talk about the nature of this math curriculum. This math curriculum is super visual and super hands-on. Every day, every lesson has a hands-on component to it, whether it be counting with manipulatives, using M&Ms, Legos, counting blocks, or there's a game involved where the kids get to play a game that incorporates the math concept they're learning. Either way, this math program is very visual and very hands-on. Even in the book, there's visual representations of the activities that they're doing. Another thing I love about this curriculum is the built-in review and daily skills practice. So Apologia Math not only is teaching kids new skills, but every day there's a component of review to it. And if you have been teaching math at all or remember what learning math was like, it's a building blocks kind of process. So it's really helpful that they include these reviews within the curriculum because it really helps students to not forget what they've learned and to be able to retain the math skills that they've previously learned throughout the course of their math learning. Another component that I really love about the Apologia Homeschool Elementary Math Curriculum is the teacher guide and answer key. This resource makes executing and teaching math so simple. It's organized by unit. Each unit includes a full supply list, which is so great because then at the beginning of a unit, you can gather up and make sure you have all the manipulatives and things that you're going to need so that you don't have to stop each lesson time and look for the items that you're going to be using during that lesson. As well as the full supply list, all of the daily skills ideas are found within the teacher guide. So in each unit, you will find this skills practice list and ideas for how to practice those skills. Another thing you find is the answer key. What I love about this answer key, as you can see in this image, is that it's the actual pages and then it just fills in the answers in a different color. I think this makes it so much easier to grade than trying to look through a list of answers that you kind of have to fill in and figure out exactly where they belong. So this feature really, really makes it quick and simple to grade your kids' math. The last thing I want to talk about is the flexible scheduling. Apologia is great at this. I've seen it in their science curriculums, and now I see it here in their math curriculum. They lay out a week-by-week schedule for you based on 4 days a week. That makes it so much more flexible. It builds in time for things like illnesses or vacations or something just came up and you had a play date with a friend. There's no prep work ahead for you. There's no planning. They lay it out as you do each day. You check it off, and if you say you do 5 days in 1 week because you missed a day the week before, that's okay. It's really easy to go ahead and just check off the next lesson that you are doing in this daily schedule that they provide. So I highly recommend that you head over to their website, and I will link all of this in the description below. There you can find a placement guide that will help you decide what level would be good for your student to try and get started at in this exploring creation with mathematics.